In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full screen mode in Canva. Whether you are presenting to a live audience, sharing your work on a call, or simply checking the details of your design without distractions, full screen mode gives you a clean edge-to-edge view that lets your content shine. I'll show you a few quick ways to enter full screen, plus the simplest ways to exit when you are done, and a note on previewing videos the same way. Start by opening your presentation in Canva. With your design on screen, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Present button. From the options that appear, choose Present Full Screen. Then click Present. This launches your presentation in a true full screen view, hiding all the editing panels so you can focus entirely on your slide content. It's a reliable way to present professionally, and it ensures what you see matches what your audience sees. If you want a fast preview without going through the Present menu, use the bottom toolbar. In the bottom right corner of the editor, click the full screen icon that looks like two diagonal arrows pointing away from each other. This instantly expands your design to fill the screen. It's perfect for quickly checking spacing, readability, and overall layout before you finalize anything. You can also jump into presentation mode with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+Alt+P. On a Mac, press Command+Option+P. Hold the keys together and Canva will switch right into a presentation style view without any extra clicks. Shortcuts are great when you are iterating quickly and want to keep your hands on the keyboard. When it's time to exit full screen, you have two simple options. Press the Escape key on your keyboard to return to the editor immediately, or move your cursor to bring up the on-screen controls, and click the Exit Full Screen icon with the contracting arrows in the bottom navigation bar. Either way, you'll land right back where you left off in your design. If you are working with video, you can preview it full screen the same way. While editing a video, click the same full screen icon in the bottom right corner to watch your clip expand to full screen. This makes it easier to evaluate motion, timing, and edges, without the distraction of the editor panels. That's it. Thanks for watching.